Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate my uptime monitoring backend system using Motia. This system continuously monitors multiple services, checks their availability, latency, and health status, and exposes this data through APIs. It also includes automatic email alerts when a service stays down or enters a critical state. At a high level, this backend does three main things. It maintains a list of monitors in the application state. It periodically pings each monitored URL to check uptime, latency, and response status. It logs the result and exposes them via API endpoints so that a front end or dashboard can consume them. Additionally, if a service is down for a prolonged or a critical duration, the system automatically sends an email alert. Let me first show the backend running locally. As you can see, the Motia backend is running at a localhost 3000. This backend is structured into different flows and API routes, all connected through Motia's state and event system. The state holds all the monitors, and each monitor represents a URL that we want to track. Now let's talk about the first API endpoint, the monitors endpoint. This endpoint allows us to create a new monitor for a given URL. When we hit this endpoint, a new monitor is added to the state. The URL is registered for continuous health checks. Initial metadata like timestamp and configuration are stored. This makes the system scalable because we can dynamically add multiple URLs without restarting the server. Once monitors are registered, the system periodically pings each URL. For every ping, it checks whether the service is reachable or not, the HTTP response status, the latency or response time, whether the service is active, degraded, or completely down. All of these results are logged internally and updated in the state. The second important endpoint is the monitor status endpoint. This endpoint allows us to fetch the latest status of a monitor. When this endpoint is called, it retrieves the most recent uptime and latency data. It returns the current health state, such as active, service down, or critical. This endpoint is designed to be consumed by front-end dashboard or a real-time status page. One of the key features of this project is email alerting. If a service remains down for a long duration or enters a critical state repeatedly, the system automatically sends an email notification. For testing purposes, I have configured my own personal email address as the alert recipient. This ensures that critical issues are immediately visible without manually checking the dashboard. To summarize, this project is a backend focused uptime monitoring system. It supports multiple monitors. It tracks uptime, latency, and service health. It exposes clean API endpoints, and it includes automated email alerts for critical failures. This backend can easily be extended with a real-time front-end dashboard, SSE, or WebSocket support, persistent storage like Redis, and PostgreSQL. Thank you for